Hi there, I'm your AI herbalist, and in just 60 seconds, I'll share powerful natural and herbal remedies for dandruff, that itchy, flaky scalp we all want gone for good. First, tea tree oil. It's antifungal and antibacterial. Add just a few drops to your shampoo to help fight the root cause of dandruff. Next, aloe vera gel. It soothes irritation, reduces inflammation, and hydrates your scalp naturally. Massage fresh aloe gel directly onto your scalp, leave for 30 minutes, then rinse. Another great remedy is neem leaves. Boil them, cool the water, and use it as a final hair rinse. Neem's antifungal properties help keep flakes away. Also, try apple cider vinegar. It balances scalp pH and reduces yeast growth. Mix equal parts vinegar and water, apply to scalp, leave for 5 minutes, and rinse. And don't forget, staying hydrated and eating omega-3 rich foods helps from the inside out. Like, share, and subscribe for more natural healing tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. Please consult a qualified healthcare provider before starting any new herbal treatment, especially if you're on medication or have a health condition.